In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Monday.com. We'll begin on your Monday.com homepage. Make sure you're signed in and that you have permission to create items in the workspace you plan to use. Forms in Monday.com. Capture information and feed it straight into your workflows. So starting from the right account and location keeps everything connected and visible to the right people. Next, head to Workspaces. This is where your teams, projects, and boards are organized. Choose the workspace where you want the form to live. The one that matches the team that will use the responses or the project that will receive the incoming data. Keeping the form in the correct workspace makes submissions easy to find and manage without extra searching or handoffs. Now, look for the plus sign to create something new. Click it to open the creation menu and select Form. This launches the form builder that ties directly into your workflow so every submission can be tracked, prioritized, and acted on without manual copying. You'll be prompted to provide details about your form. Give it a clear title and a concise description that explains what the form is for and what people should prepare before submitting. Think through the information you actually need, things like names, dates, project details, files, or feedback. Use straightforward language and keep labels short but specific so there's no guesswork. If certain information is essential, call that out in the description to help submitters get it right the first time. When you're ready to see how it all comes together, click Generate Preview. This shows you exactly what submitters will experience. Read it from top to bottom and check the flow. Is the purpose clear at the top? Do the questions follow a logical order from general to specific? Are any terms ambiguous or overly technical? If something feels off, that's normal. You can adjust it immediately. Use the editing tools to refine your form. Reorder fields so the most important ones appear first. Rewrite labels for clarity, and add short instructions or placeholders where they'll help people understand what to enter. Adjust which fields are required so you only collect what's essential, and break up long sections into shorter, focused entries. Keep your tone friendly and consistent to reduce confusion and friction. These small edits make a big difference in completion rates and cut down on back and forth later. And that's it. Start on home, go to Workspaces, choose your workspace, click the plus sign, select form, add your details, generate a preview, and polish using the editor. You're ready to collect clean, organized responses right where your team works.